The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for DuPage County, East Central McHenry County, Cook County, Northeast Lee County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Midway Airport, moving east at 8 miles per hour. Take cover now. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. When the tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has detected in the storm. A tornado may be on the ground or expected to develop shortly.